Here's a list of 5 benefits of walking that may surprise you. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, it counteracts the effects of fat-promoting genes. Watching too much TV can worsen your genetic tendency towards obesity, but you can cut the effect in half by walking. Harvard researchers looked at 32 obesity-promoting genes in over 12,000 people to determine how much these genes actually contribute to body fat. They discovered that among the study participants who walked briskly for about an hour a day, the effects of those genes were cut in half. Number 4, it helps tame a sweet tooth. If you set a goal to cut down on sugary snacks and desserts, researchers suggest that walking just 15 minutes a day could be enough to curb those cravings. A pair of studies from the University of Exeter found that a 15-minute walk can curb cravings for chocolate and even reduce the amount of chocolate you eat in stressful situations. And the latest research confirms that walking can reduce cravings and intake of a variety of sugary snacks. Number 3, it reduces the risk of developing breast cancer. Researchers already know that any kind of physical activity blunts the risk of breast cancer, but an American Cancer Society study that zeroed in on walking found that women who walked 7 or more hours a week had a 14% lower risk of breast cancer than those who walked 3 hours or fewer per week. And walking provided this protection even for women with breast cancer risk factors such as high body fat percentage or using supplemental hormones. Number 2, it eases joint pain. Several studies have found that walking reduces arthritis-related pain and that walking 5 to 6 miles a week can even prevent arthritis from forming in the first place. Walking protects joints, especially the knees and hips, which are the most susceptible to osteoarthritis, by lubricating them and strengthening the muscles that support them. Number 1, it boosts immune function. A walk can benefit your immune system by helping immune cells to perform effectively. Walking can help protect you during cold and flu season. A study of over 1,000 men and women found that those who walked at least 20 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week, had 43% fewer sick days than those who exercised once a week or less. And if they did get sick, it was for a shorter duration and their symptoms were milder. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 tips to control your portion size. That's it. That's all. See you next time.